Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the building, guys. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, you see what we're doing today. But before we get into that, guys, I want to ask how you doing today, man. How y'all doing? Y'all taking care of yourself? Y'all staying prayed up? You drinking your water? Huh? You drinking your water, you taking care of family, staying on your goal, you staying on your purpose? Yo, make sure you don't know what time it is. We gotta stay on our goal, stay on our grind, keep drinking our water, keeping you healthy. You gotta take care of yourself, because we only got one life, you know what I'm saying? We are all we got, isn't it? So if we don't take care of ourselves, who gonna take care of us? Huh? We gotta take care of each other, you know what I'm saying? Because we're all we got, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, yeah, man, I hope y'all good. I hope y'all stay blessed. I hope y'all everything's alright, you know what I'm saying? I hope you're feeling good today. But today we have to check out another video. This is a video. Yeah, you see the title, what we're doing today, man. We do that no stranger to the channel. This is Skeng, you see me? Skeng down there again with another track, you know what I'm saying? And today, in London, down in Canada, and today I got deal with Paris. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it seems like Skeng make a track for every country you visit, every place you go for the first time. So we definitely gotta go check it out. You know what I'm saying? And see what go on. I don't know Skeng, one of the brightest stars in dancehall right now. One of, you know what I'm saying? You don't know one of the dancehall artists right now. So everybody got their eyes and ears on him right now. Nobody requested this one at the time of the recording, but y'all definitely go see our comments. You know, I'm still, but don't shout out. Nobody requested this one at the time of the recording. But yeah, man, today we're going to check out Skeng Paris, guys. You see me? But before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bell. You see me? Because I'll be your vibes over here. So, one of the best reaction channel on YouTube. You see me? A little over here. So, do yourself a favor. Because you know what I miss out. So, when prices and surprises start and you don't get none, I can't blame me. You see me? You can't blame me. You see me? Oh, alright. Anyway. But yeah, man, people, I jump right now the track. This is Skeng Paris. Come on, man. You don't know. So, the Skeng down. How do I do it for your fans, them? Skeng Paris, let's get it. Tap regards again. Clean here, man. Clean in my suit. I mean, dog. Yeah, man. Skeng. Come in a different image pan and bomba. Come here, see what I'm going.
Yes, Skeng Satikwa. Oh, Joga Bazava. First Prince of Paris, none of them are not jealous. The king not the Europe, live lavish. Family coming to miss, no merch made to millions. Me a spend my money, can I merge?
Easy that says Fresh Prince of Paris, none of them are not jealous. They hey, easy that says Fresh Prince of Paris. Oh, yeah, me.
Realistic, where the medicine of this memorized. Up a spliff and take a sip and white. Fuck my style like it, off a fuck a French bitch. Pull this them for the see how easy does it.
Does it, dog, you know, man, you don't know if you have a Lambo in Paris, man. If you have Paris, man, you don't know it's a European car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
A few million bombers in Paris. Peace, we a push and none of it in Paris. One day I'm gonna go to Disney in Paris. Fuck a bitch and low out the French kiss in Paris.
Man, say, fuck a bitch and low out the French kiss in Paris. Oh, not that lyrics, no, not bad.
Paris, every song I'm sing in Paris. Put them alone, build my split in Paris. And chicks and pop no pill in Paris.
I clean out in Paris and he talks them. What you mean, man?
In Paris, too cool and that's easy, but back at that, all got no like chat.
Too cool, you know, see me easy, but look at that. Hey, easy no man, the man just a travel and go all like places. I see what Skeng do. Skeng going out to all the places that him see on IG and on social media and on TV and he want to go. So that go everywhere and build a tune for them. For him and he talks them. So if anything, can't say that no travel the world. You know what I'm saying? But dog still do him thing. What you mean? Skeng shoot for Grammys and him thing. The dog shoot for his star, make your dreams come true and travel the world. What you mean with the young dogs? What you mean?
Chat star life, I live it all. Touch forever until done this summer.
I got the Ferrari. The Lamborghini, you know.
But the day that they pop that fly past the eye, but feel like Superman.
I have to throw it out.
Can't know we are hurry around in Paris. A few million bombers in Paris. Peace, we are pushing on of it
in Paris.
Paris. Lock me there, I'm no go a Disney. In a
Paris.
Paris. Fuck a bitch, allow the French kiss. In a
Paris.
Paris. Top of voice every song I'm a sing. In a Paris. Put at them alone, build my split. In a Paris. I think stand up, pop no pill. In a Paris. In a Paris. Fresh Prince of Paris. None of them are not jealous. I'm not the Europe, living lavish. Family.
Rattigan in the Europe, I live in lavish. I want to know, man.
No merch, me to millions, me a spend for money.
And then I got the Mickey Mouse. It's because of Rattigan. I got the Mickey Mouse there. That's easy in Paris.
No merch, just be realistic. Where the modest in this memorize. Up my split and take a sip and wine. Clean up my style like it. I fuck a French bitch. Pull this them for no see how easy does it. How am I in a Paris? Half few million. Young Pampers in a Paris.
We soon start record video in a.
Peace we a push and none of it in a Paris.
We soon start record video in a.
Lock me there, I'm no go a Disney.
In a
Paris. Fuck a bitch, allow the French.
We soon get 1 million subs in a.
In a Paris. Top of voice every song I'm a sing. In a Paris. Put at them alone, build my split. In a Paris.
I know you had a load me a go.
In a pop no pill. In a Paris. In a Paris. In a Paris.
Skeng that it thing. Oh yeah, I think you out. Energy dead out there. Cut off. I am to them, man. Oh yeah, I mean, easy does it. Yeah, man. Skeng with another one. Paris. Yeah, man. That was a travel word I make be a tune and the people love it. Be a vibes tonight in Paris. You know what I'm saying? Jambisco go big in Paris. Get 1 million subs in Paris. $1 billion in Paris. I know US alone in Paris. Yeah, man, that was a vibe, man. Yeah, man, people don't know. I mean, you know anything about the one day. That's definitely a vibe. Definitely a mad track. You see me? Yeah, man, definitely a vibe. Definitely a mad track. I love the one day. I don't know anything about the one day, guys. What was your favorite part? Is what you think about Skeng? What you think about the song? You know what I'm saying? If there's any songs you want me to react to from Skeng that I haven't, go ahead, shoot the request. If you like me, definitely go show the other some of on support making us at Jambisco and send you. And send your request, guys. We know you want me to react to next and I get it done. You don't know what time it is. You're gonna get your shout out, you're gonna get your comments shown, all that stuff. Drop your flags, emoji, country you're watching from, city you're watching from. You know what I'm saying? Everything. I get a shout out. They don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit on a special bang. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.